guys, so for this week's building, we're featuring this 12 by 32 foot cabin style. You can pretty much turn this into a cabin, you know, a home. Let's check it out, guys. So let's start off here. We got a 4-foot overhang porch. You can pretty much, you know, put the chairs here. That way you can look at the nice sunset or sunrise every morning. This comes out 4 feet. We got a 4x4 window here and a unlight welcome door. Alright guys, some neat features about this building is the lighting here. There's 3 big windows here, not including the door. That lets a lot of natural light in, so I like that about this. So you guys can see here, there's no electricity or no insulation, but it feels pretty nice in here. Just the natural lighting and all the finishing touches. This up here, the loft, this is a 12 by 15, so this is pretty much the size of your normal bedroom up here. Every 4 foot, they put a double stud here, so it just reinforces everything. Steven, you got any ideas for us, man? What can we use this for?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked, Andy. The good thing about the size of this building is that a lot of people can grab inspiration. You can turn this into an Airbnb spot. You can put this out on the lake, and you know, and it looks very gorgeous from the outside already. You know, I don't see why people wouldn't be attracted to rent this place out for a day or two. Maybe on Valentine's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, maybe people want to have their Thanksgiving dinner somewhere fancy. Another thing too is, you know, you can set this up for a small business or just for storage or anything really. Like what Andy says, you can just turn this into a home.
And if there's some guys out there, if there's any people out there kind of wondering what this unit will run you, this one runs right around 14 to 15,000 off the lot. That does include delivery and installation, and that's pretty much ready to, you know, to rock and roll and start using it. Well guys, you seen it, a 12 by 32 cabinet style building, very neat setup, excellent craftsmanship. For all building inquiries, send us an email, info@Andy's Buildings, or go to our website at andysbuildings.com. We'll see you guys next week.